Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm at the thrift store. Yeah, it's one of the minor places that I go to, but it's an interesting place. They have a few things every once in a while, and it's always nice to support a good group that's working hard to make life better for others. Just out of curiosity, I'm taking a quick video of this because I've never seen a hitch like that. The thrift store. Not much going on today. Just a few wrenches and a bunch of clothes, which is normal for a thrift store. I'm at the thrift store. Not a whole lot of things going on here, but they usually have at least one or two items to look at. I always like giving a little bit of help to the people who work so hard to make life better for others.
And now just a moment of Sadie's sleeper size.